I love dolphins. So it's perhaps a good thing that Dolphin FPV have sent me these new motors. These are 2207 1950 kV and they are purple and sage. Let's take a look at one of them. In the motor itself, you've also got your prop nut as well. Let me just open this up. There is the motor itself. So it's purple and green on top, and then you've got purple underneath, and you've got purple and green on the sides. And it reads 2207 on one side, Reno on the other. I guess that's the brand of the motors that they call in them. But these are really, really nice. And whilst this is just a very quick initial first look at them, I'll obviously leave a link if you guys want to pick any of these up. I do like the Dolphin FPV stuff. It's inexpensive and they are very nicely put together. But I was thinking, what should we do with these? And then I realised, although I've got a build that there's nothing wrong with whatsoever, I've got a build that these will look stunning on. Let me show you. So this is the Axis Flying Manta DC. We have had plenty of shorts of it on the channel, but I haven't dropped the full video yet. And whilst we've got really nice motors from Axis Flying on this, how much nicer will it look being paired off with motors that are actually the same accent colours? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to rip off these perfectly functional, perfectly fine motors that I've got no problems with whatsoever, and we're going to replace them with these sexy ones which completely match the frame, because as you all know, I am just a tart. There is no two ways about it. But that's what we're going to do. And yeah, so stay tuned for that video. We'll switch them over. Once we switch them over, we'll take them out and we'll test them, and we'll give you our honest thoughts about how they feel against the Axis Flying ones. The Axis Flying ones have proven to be really, really good. So if these are even just half as good, then surely we're on to an absolute winner. Let's freaking go. So you are going to have to use your imagination for the next clip. I'm going to show the drone on the floor with the battery plugged in, and I'm about to film taking off. Unfortunately, I didn't bring a tripod, and every time I took off, it knocked the phone over. So let's just pretend by the power of magic, this is the takeoff. there we go. The new Dolphin RC 2207 motors. They look stunning on this frame. And as I say, I didn't have any issues with the Axis flying ones. I did only manage to fly for 3 minutes because you may be able to see on the camera now, but we are literally at the start of a storm here in the UK and it's raining pretty heavy. So we have got obviously the Flywheel waterproof spray on here. So we was able to continue for 3 minutes, but I thought after 3 minutes, I'm not going to risk too much because it is coming down fairly heavily now. But these have impressed me. But the thing is, like, a motor's a motor. When they look this good and they match this frame, for me it's a no-brainer, but I am a tart. So yeah, any questions whatsoever, please do drop them in the comments down below. Enjoy your Friday evening, guys. Thank you so much for spending time here with me this evening. And I also just want to say a massive, heartfelt thank you to everybody who's been watching, commenting and sharing our videos. We hit 1 million views in August and 1.1 million views in September. It has blown me away. So thank you all so much. I promise I'm not going to give up. I've got ambitions to become a lot bigger than what we are. And with your guys' help, I'm sure we can achieve it together. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your Friday evening and peace out. YouTube and I have had a chat and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.